fast and reliable mobile mechanic. Today, we're replacing the alternator on this 2012 Jaguar XF. This has the 3.0 liter. Let's get to it. So first things first, the alternator is gonna be on the passenger side all the way down in there. I can show it to you better from the wheel side. So I've got the front passenger side wheel removed. Now we're gonna move to this cover right here. It has a few clips in there. We're gonna remove, and the alternator should be right behind it. Is remove this clip right here. And now we have clear access to the alternator. You can see the power wire is right there. We got those two lower bolts to remove. Let's get that. Now I've got those two bolts removed. Those were both 13 millimeter. Now we can move right here. We get this power wire. I believe it should be a 12 millimeter. So I went ahead and removed the power wire from the alternator. It is important to mention that you should unplug your battery negative cable. It's in the trunk right here, next to the spare tire. Make sure to unplug the negative before starting this process. Now we're gonna move to the top. We're gonna get this whole airbox assembly out the way. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna take all these off. We're gonna get this whole thing out the way. We've got all this removed. Now we could go in here. As you can see, I put my ratchet on the tensioner right over there. That's my ratchet right there, and that's the tensioner. There's a little square hole where you can fit the 3/8 inch drive ratchet. As you can see, I just let it hang right over here. I took it off the alternator pulley. Now we've got to take out this idler pulley right over here. Now we've got the pulley out. Now we can get to the top alternator bolt. This is the alternator, and that's the top bolt right here. Let's get this off. After I took the top bolt off, the alternator fell right out. As you can see. Now we're gonna get the new one in, start the car, and make sure it's running perfectly. This is fast and reliable mobile mechanic, helping you out once again. Remember, if you're in the Palm Beach area and you need any automotive assistance, you know who to call.